feel sad coming from our belief systems or thought distortions and na-trigger ka in a small situation lang but ikaw na yung nag-over-exaggerate, that is already questionable. But again, since we're already at the letter L, labeling our emotions, we can start by labeling our using these four basic emotions. And when we discover and expand our emotion dictionary, we realize that you see joy could have different more related emotions under that main category. Si sadness, anger, fear, that also goes along with it.